is what we've been finding in all the baits. The bear's been eating on this. It's the last day of the hunt. It's 4:30. We're getting ready to go in. We got some bears coming into this bait, and we're going to give it a shot and hopefully stick one this morning. Yes. He's done. He's done right there. Here at Pontiac Lodge. I found it all week for that bear. I was going to shoot a smaller one today, and the big boy came in. Can't believe it. I just said last night that I thought it was a slim and none chance that a big one's going to come in, and I was wrong. Alright, now that I calmed down a bit, I'm going to go get the guys and we're going to go get my bear. When I go back to camp, I'm going to mess with them a bit and tell them I shot an average bear because they thought I was coming in to shoot a bear to just fill my tag. And they'll find out it's a really nice bear when we get up here. We'll see you in a bit.
That's what I'm calling. It's as big as I thought he was. Well, I'm here with Troy Oliver. It's day 6 of our Pontiac Lodge, Quebec Bear Hunt 2024. He had the opportunity to take a really nice bear this morning on the last day of the hunt, so he's been really very patient waiting for a nice bear. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what happened this morning, Troy?
I got in the stand this morning. Didn't see a bear till 9:15 when this bear came in, and come right into the bait and didn't go 30 yards.
Great shot. We can still see the trees standing off through the trees here. Yeah, it didn't get very far at all. Made a great shot on it. Great opportunity. We've had a blast here, haven't we? We're now 6 for 7 for our group. It's been an amazing week here. Time for fishing tonight. We're driving home tomorrow. Anything else you want to say?
Nope.
About that. Congratulations. Great job.
Well, that's a wrap on our 2024 Quebec bear hunt at 6:15 on Saturday morning. I'm standing outside. It's supposed to rain most of the day. Just loaded the truck up, got everything loaded onto the trailer that we're supposed to have, and we're heading out. We got the bears loaded in the cooler, and final statistics on the hunt, where we saw 44 bears between 7 guys. I know some of those were multiple bears, but we killed 6 out of 7 guys killed bear. So it was an absolutely amazing hunt. Can't wait to do it again next year, possibly the year after. Looking forward to it already. Anyway, that's a wrap on our Quebec 2024 bear hunt. Hope you all enjoyed all the footage we took and enjoyed coming along with us. See you next time.